Hello, I am Manuel Lemos, the founder and the original developer of the PHP classes site. And today I have a great announcement to you regarding a new feature that we have been working on for the last months. And we believe it is very good for you and for the PHP community in general that accesses the site. But first, I'd like to show you one of these. As you may know, this is the original PHP elephant that we produce and sell with the permission of the creator Vincent Pontier. But stay tuned until the end of this presentation because we will have a great announcement regarding on how you can get one of these for you for free. So for now, let me talk about this new initiative. I'm going to share the screen here, just so you can see what we have in mind. As you may see now, we are showing the page of a new award called PHP Development Master Award. You can access this page later using a button in the menu, going to the home page. For now, do not worry. If you want to access this page right now directly, just go here and type phpclasses.org/award/master. And here you can find all the information about this initiative. I'm just going to give an overview because this is just a preview of something that is not yet complete at the time of this recording. We still have to finish a few features that will make it more interesting. But for now, you can see all the details about this initiative. Basically, it will allow you as a developer that writes PHP classes of objects and publishes them in the PHP class so you can get more exposure, more recognition, eventually more feedback about those classes. And you also publish tutorial articles in a blog that is associated to each of the packages that you publish. So you can teach something useful about how to use your packages. There you can write great tutorials that will help your package to be more interesting to other developers that come to the site. So here in this page, I'm just going to show you briefly what it contains. It contains many things like how it works, sponsors and prizes. For now, you can just see the PHP classes is the main sponsor of this initiative. Later, we'll find other sponsors when the whole initiative is ready to fully launch it. Here is just a preview, the rules, and how you can start participating. First, I'm going to show you over here the winners of the past months. This initiative did not start now. What started now is providing prizes to the winners in the next months on which the initiative will be going on. So going to the winners page, you can find here the past month winners. Over the years, we've been tracking the users that access the blog posts of the packages. We do anonymous tracking. We do not keep track of who is exactly the person. We just count the number of accesses, distinct accesses from real users. We exclude bots that could alter the count. Accesses only consider real humans that are accessing the pages. And over here, you can see a list of pages that shows the different years since when we start tracking these accesses anonymously, just the 2016 through 2020. And this initiative will happen monthly. This means that every month the site will show you a ranking like this with all the, the authors and articles that they have written, tutorials about their own packages. We want you to give more exposure to developers that have written packages and tutorials about those packages. And here you can see the title of the article, the name of the author, and the number of viewers. These are distinct viewers that have seen the article throughout the month. Then you can see also other past months, but let's move on to just show you one of these articles so you can understand what is a good article that will be popular and you'll get much more interest about your packages if you write these tutorials. Here is one of those articles. You can see the article here like many other articles, but now there is one new detail that we were not showing before. First, it's the total number of viewers since the article is published. In this case, it started in January 2016, and the total count refers until the past month. We are recording this video in June of 2020, so it only counts the viewers that have seen the article until May. Next month, in June, after June, I mean July, it will also show the count, including the month of June. So last month, viewers, in this case, May 2020, 1,628 viewers. These are distinct users. And this is the new thing that we are showing in the articles page. So you may wonder, how can I participate and also benefit from the privileges that you can earn for participating in this initiative? As I said, you can get one of these PHP elephants. I'll talk a bit more about it in the end of this video. And you can see here the structure of a good article. In this case, it was very popular. It was popular not only because it is an interesting topic, in this case, converting MySQL code that used to run in past PHP versions into MySQLite code. This was written in this case by Dave Smith, a great contributor like many others. He just picked this one because it was published a few years ago and continues to be useful. As you can see, it still has many viewers until today. And this is the kind of article that we would like to encourage you to write. Below, you can see many sections, and do not worry about this. We will be able to write articles like this, and we will review the article to improve in aspects that it may need improvement. If you are not a native English writer, that is okay. Do not worry if you make mistakes. We'll review the code, I mean the article, and we will tell you later if necessary which were the things that we have improved, usually spelling mistakes, if any, and maybe just change in formatting just to make the article clear like this one. You can also add pictures if you want, if it's helpful. Usually it helps in case of diagrams. You can also add videos. You are not required to add pictures or videos, but if you do so, it makes the article richer. And you can also add code. Many developers want to see code and very short explanations about what this code is about, a nice title, a few paragraphs, code. That's what people expect to see in a good article. That's why this article is popular. If you want your articles to also be popular, you just need to follow this structure, but apply them to the packages that you have written. This initiative is to promote your own packages. And those packages need to do something useful, and they also uh, can have many aspects that you can create one or more tutorials about it. If you think you can talk in many aspects about an article, write many or multiple articles. So basically, this is it. So how do you contribute and how you can participate in this initiative? It's simple. Just go to the top of the pages. When you are a logged user, you can see a link here that says contribute. Let's move on to the contribute page. Here is just a few instructions. Click on classes and objects. If you have already published your own classes, you do not go through this process. You just go directly to the package page. I'm going to show you that ahead. And just click on class of objects package. It appears a new page, just gives you a few instructions. Click to the continue new form, new class form, and then here you can just fill a few details. You can import your package from GitHub if it is already in GitHub. It can be in another repository, it can be Git, or it can even be old version control systems like Subversion or CVS. Or you can still upload the files individually. If you do not use a version control system, it's up to you. The site is flexible. It provides you different options. It's up to you to decide which one suits you best. Once you have submitted your package, you will appear. You will see a page like this one on which you see a package, and you may see there is a link here that says blog. I'm showing a real package that is already published. In the case, it's the same package that refers to the article that we have seen before. And you click here and you go to the page of the blog with different posts. If you do not have posted any articles yet, it will be empty. It will just show a message saying that there are no articles yet. You click here on post article, and you can move on to the package, to the page that manages your package blog posts. Click on submit new post. Just go there and it appears an editor. This editor is not super fantastic, but is enough for you to post your articles. Just fill the regular forms. You can edit it in a visual editor, or you can even paste HTML code directly here. It's up to you. You can even go to a platform that allows you to publish documents in, for instance, Google Drive or Microsoft Word online, or even the desktop version of those applications. You can simply copy and paste it here. Maybe you need some reformatting. Do not worry about that. Just submit it as it is. We'll take care of that for you in terms of reformatting, so it looks good. And for instance, if you have pictures and you are not able to upload the picture because it's a separate process, you can also do that. In the end, just click here, ready to publish, and also click here, feature in the main PHP classes site blog. This allows you to get your article much more visibility than it would if it were just stay in the blog about your own package. Yeah, we can promote it and get it more visibility. So basically this is it. Once you publish your article, we'll moderate it, so we'll review it. do any necessary fixes if they are really, really important. And then we publish it, and it will be announced to many users that get the newsletters from the PHP classes site, and also others that check the site regularly. They watch the PHP account on Twitter or Facebook or any other place where the PHP classes articles are featuring, and that's it. Then you just need to wait, probably reply to any comments that may appear in the forum that is associated with each article. And that's it. You just wait and see. Then you start getting an audience to your article, and people eventually will also use your package after they see that in the article that the package is useful and easy to use. That's what we expect from you. So for now, that's all. I'm just going to finish here showing this again. As you may know, the PHP classes site sells these elephants. Many developers want these elephants. They are scarce. There are not many companies in the world that are producing them because it's a complex process. We've gone through that process. It took more than 1 year to have it finished, but we made it. It's working. Eventually, it will be improved like everything else that needs to progress in life. The products also need to improve, but for now, you can see this is a nice PHP elephant. We licensed it from Vincent Pontier, and he was kind enough to allow us to produce it and sell it. We need to pay royalties to him because it's fair. You need to always um, address the requirements of the creator. And he was kind enough to let us do that, and we need to pay for every unit that is sold. For the people that participate in the PHP Development Master Award, they will be able to earn one of these for free. So they do not need to pay it. We also pay the shipping to your country, and you will receive it in whatever is your address in the world. And there's a new thing that I also want to announce here is that over here you can see the original PHP logo, and it's a nice elephant, but we have added a new possibility. From now on, later we also be able to sell this. We can personalize the elephant with a custom logo. In this case, it is the logo of the PHP classes site. It is nice, it is good quality, and it is made in a special material that can stick it, and it's robust. It's hard to take it out if you need to force it, and that's not the usual thing that you would do. So it's nice, and we can personalize it for you. And if you participate in the award and you get the chance to win one of these, we will be able to put a logo of your choice. It can be the PHP classes logo if you want, but it can be anything else. It can be a logo of your PHP user group, of your favorite soccer team, your picture, a picture of your family, whatever it is. The quality of this printing is very good. We tested several times, and you will be able to customize it the way you want. Then it takes a bit of time, a few days, and then we ship it to you. It will be a few more days until it arrives to your address, and that's it. So I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you feel encouraged to not only write great packages, but also write great tutorials about those packages, and you get visibility for your work and recognition in case you write great tutorials like we have shown you an example, and you can also get one of these. So for now, that's all. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation, and let's wait and see, because we have more nice things to launch in the PHP classes soon or later. And the plan is big, and we hope I can count on you to collaborate and also spread the news that we are trying to do more and good things for the benefit of the PHP community as a whole. So that's all for now. Thank you for your attention. Bye.